Hello guys, this is God's Power again. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money online. You know that we always talk about how you can make money on this my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $20 for taking surveys. So if you're that type of person that want to make money online by taking surveys, so I want you to really watch this video from the beginning to the end to learn how you can make $20 for taking surveys. So you can take a bunch of survey and at the end of the day you can make more money. So but maximum you can make it's me that is saying maximum, but you can make more than that on this website. But I'm just saying $20. If you just spend, let me say, part time doing this, you can make up to $20. So that is it. And let us head over to my computer now. Let me show you step by step how you can make money with this method. So it's very simple and it's going to be short. So just watch it and learn and go and apply the strategy to start making free money online. Let us head over to my computer right now. So guys, before we head over to this website that I'm going to show you today, what you just have to do, like I said again, you have to subscribe, like my YouTube channel, and leave your comment in the comment section below. And this is my last video I made when I talk about how you can make $20 to $100 by sharing your internet connection. You can go and watch this video. So it's on my YouTube channel, which is in the description too. So you can go and check it out too. So not to take your time, let us head over to this website. And yeah, so as you can see, this is the website which is called Price Rebel. Price Rebel is a survey site. It's a place where you can take surveys and you are getting paid. Like you complete a task and a particular company will pay you that money and you are getting paid. So what is Price Rebel and how are they working? So companies come to Price Rebel to like publish their services, and what Price Rebel now do is that it will list all those services for us, and we as the service taker. Then what we will now do now, when we log into our account, go to dashboard, go to services, we'll find a lot of bunch of services like downloading application, liking video, liking people page, watching videos, and other things, that a bunch of things that you can do. But mostly they are just focusing on surveys. That is what they are focusing on Price Rebel. But you can do a bunch of things on Price Rebel to make money. So what we are talking about today is about how you can take surveys and make money with Price Rebel. So that is what I'm going to show you today. So to sign up on Price Rebel is very simple. You enter your first name, last name, email address, re-enter your email address, and click on this section that says start making money, and your account will be created. They will send an email to you for verification. Once you click on that email, your account will be verified and you are good to go to start making money with Price Rebel. And if you scroll down here, let us scroll down a bit. See how here is how site works. So it say first is sign up is 100% free, like I told you, and it say endpoint by completing short opinion survey or easy offers. So the survey is like answering question. Take survey, what is your name? My name is John. And easy survey, easy offers is kind of watching videos and downloading application, completing a task for clients or for publishers. You are going to be getting paid here. So that is what I need to talk about on the second. Why the third part, which is this session here, which is where you are going to get paid, is say redeem your point for cash. You redeem your point for paper card. You say or choose from the 100 of gift card that they have. So they have a bunch of gift card that you can choose from and you are getting paid. So if you come here again, you can see testimony about Price Rebel. So this is their testimony and reward, people that they are sending reward to, and their screenshot, they are just publishing that on their website too. Here on the, I call it testimony session, which is this area. And you can just check on Price Rebel out. You can see, say Price Rebel is is free to use survey panel that was started in 2007 in sunny California with the goal of connecting marketing research and opinion surveys takers like yourself. We are trusted by over 12 million people. Jesus, they are trusted by 12 million visitors each month. I'm going to see that. I will show you if it's true. So it's a registered users globally and have paid out over $20 million in reward to our loyal members. Our goal is to provide with a consistent extra income where you can take paid surveys from comfort of your home or where you are, or quick break from your school or work. So you see what I told you. So it's a kind of a part-time job that you can just take anytime, take surveys, and you are getting paid. Say online, or say you can see we say our online paid survey legitimate. So question, you can just read through and see by yourself. So that is what I need to talk about on this session. So let us move to how you can start using it. You can see that they have been featured on all those Trustpilot and other brand that you can see here, other websites. They have been featured in Insider, Trustpilot, and other places. So yeah, that is only what I want to do. Let me show you traffic that they are getting each month. Let us go to SimilarWeb and click and see the traffic that this website is getting each month. As you can see, the website is getting almost, they are getting almost 849,000 visitors each month. 849,000 visitors each month, which is a lot. It's huge. It's huge. So now that you already know a few details about this website, you are going to log in, and I will show you around in a very quick and fast mode. All right, so let us log in. Since we have created our account, you already know your first name, last name, your email address. Re-enter your password here and click on start making money, and they will send you an email and you verify your account. So it's very simple to create your account, and make sure you have PayPal, Visa, or Amazon where you can receive your money. And let us log in into our account right now. So to log in our account, I will just click here, log in, and I will enter my password here. So it's logging us in now. So you just log us into our account. So you can see a bunch of surveys that you can take here. So once you land on your home page here, there's a bunch of surveys that you can take. So you can see they even have daily challenge. If you earn 30 points a day, you can have a chance of winning something. So you can see, say, claim daily challenge for 5 days in a row to earn an addition bonus. So you can do that, just like earn for 5 days. If you are the top earner or you are active every time taking surveys, you have a chance of winning some free cash. So that is what I need to talk about on that part. And you can see that you can take a bunch of surveys here. You can just choose anyone you want to work on, you want to take, and click on the survey side. Like, let me say this one here. If I want this, I'll just click on this here, and it will take me directly to this session here. And what I need to do here now is, you can see that I'll earn 85% point, 85 points, and yeah. So if I click on this survey now, and it will take me to the survey, and I will read the terms and conditions of this survey before I start taking it. If it's something I want to take, if they need to collect some of my data I don't want to give, I will just like cancel it. So that is how you can take survey. Just click on accept the terms and condition and scroll down and click on this section that say continue, and it will take you now to the survey, and you start taking the survey. And once you are through taking the survey, they will tell you that survey complete. And once you come back to your price rebate account, you will see your point here at the top will increase. So that is how it really works. It's very simple, taking surveys and making money. So if I click on this session here, this tab here, you see that there's a bunch of surveys here that I can take too. You see 35 minutes, I'm going to earn 385 points for each, for taking this survey. 35 minutes of my time, I'm going to make 87 points. 7 minutes, 82 points. 14 minutes, 64 points. 10 minutes, 45 points. 15 minutes, 54 points. So you see, it keeps on going like that again. So you take surveys and you are getting paid. It's very simple. This website is one of the best survey site that I have ever seen, because it's very simple. You know, you take surveys and you are getting paid by just giving your opinion about a particular topic or a particular brand or anything. Just to give your honest opinion. It's not that you need to really get it right. You know, this is not kind of, if you make any mistake they will disqualify you. No, just give your honest opinion and you will get paid. And some company are not paying you if you like if you just kind of answer the question in a very you need to take your time, let the machine understand that it's human being that is answering this question, not a robot. Just take your time, breathe, and take the survey. And at the end of the survey, you will see that you will get that point. Most of the time, the mistake people are making when they are taking surveys that they fasting it. They take it like they are robots, and at the end of the day, they will disqualify them, telling them that they will not, they didn't qualify to complete this survey because they are behaving like a robot. They are behaving like a robot too fast, and they will disqualify you. Behave like human. Just take the surveys gradually, and you will see that at the end of the survey, you are going to receive your point. That is the trick I want to talk about on this. So if I click on those section that say a reward, or if I click on those section, click on invite here, which is a referral program. They have a referral program. They will give you affiliate link. You can copy the affiliate link here and click on copy, and you can go and share this link with your friends, and you are going to make money for referring people to this program. So you can see here, you can see how many people you have referred to this program. As you can see, I have referred 20 people to this program, and I have made let me say 6 cents from them, and total clicks is 6,773 clicks. And yeah, so you can just go and try it out and see if it's something you want to be interested in. Just use it and see if you can make money by doing that. So that is what I need to talk about this website, which is called Price Rebate. And if I click on those section that say rewards, you will see, when on the beginning of the video I told you that you can make up to $20. You can even make more than that on this website. So you can see, you can choose your payment method, the way you want to use to receive your money. If I scroll down here a bit, you can see that they have a bunch of ways that you can use to redeem your money: Visa, prepaid card, Amazon, and other ways that you wish to receive your money once you have the minimum amount of cash out. If I click on PayPal, which is what everybody is like using, if I click on PayPal here, you can just click on claim this $5 if you already have the minimum amount, or if you, let me say you have $50 or $100 or $10, you can just click on $10 and you click on redeem, and the money will be sent into your PayPal account. You can even make more than this. You can even make more than $20 by using this method. So it's very, very simple. I recommend you guys to go and try this application out and come back to this video. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about Price Rebate. I know you'll be wondering, is this website available worldwide? Yes, this website is available worldwide. Just try it out. If it's not available in your country, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will send other websites that you can still try and see. I will send the other website that is available worldwide so that you can try them. It just, all of them work in the same way, but they function in different way, but they work in the same way because you are just taking surveys, answering questions, downloading application, completing any task. You are getting paid in return for that. So that is what I need to cover on this video. I will say thank you very much.